Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing something spicy. I'm gonna show you how to flash AxionOS 2.2 on the Poco F6 Redmi Turbo 3. And trust me, once you try this ROM, you're not going back. Let's jump right in. All right, first things first. Charge your phone past 50%, back up your stuff, and yes, I know you always forget, but not today. Power off, hold volume down plus power until you hit Fastboot, then plug into your PC with a real cable, not that crusty one from 2017. Head to the AxionOS site, download version 2.2. You also need to download the recovery and platform tools. Once downloaded, toss the recovery file right into your platform tools folder like it's nothing. Open CMD in that folder, run the command as shown on screen, and boom, recovery flashed. Now, instantly reboot to recovery. Don't blink, don't skip, just do it. In recovery, install update ADB sideload. Back on PC, drag the AxionOS zip over, run the command. And if it stops at 47%, do not panic. It's normal. Breathe, hydrate, let it cook. When it's done, tap yes, let it reboot back to recovery, then hit a factory reset. Trust me, this keeps things buttery later.
Bro, look at this. The animations, clean. The speed, stupid fast. The whole vibe, chef's kiss. Your phone basically just leveled up.
And that's it. If this guide saved your day, drop a like, tell me in the comments what ROM you want to see next, and of course, subscribe for more tweaks, speed hacks, and Android magic. Love you guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.